BMW Active E, a vehicle powered purely by electricity and based on the BMW 1 Series Coupe. It offers drivers the typical dynamic characteristics of a BMW. One of the special features, which is a typical characteristic of electric motors, is that the maximum torque is fully available from a standing start and can be applied over an unusually large range of loads. But what is the principle behind this electrification of sheer driving pleasure? An electric motor basically consists of two parts, a stator and a rotor. If electricity is passed through the rotor, an electromagnetic field is generated, which interacts with the field of the stator. This causes the rotor to revolve, which in turn drives the rear axle of the Active E. Prior to this is a very elaborate production process, which incorporates BMW's typical precision and attention to detail, and in which the assembly team is producing more than 1,000 electric motors for the Active E fleet. While the stator is being produced from dozens of copper coils, the rotor is produced at another location. The final assembly stage sees the rotor and stator fit together to form the electric motor. Finally, the finished engine has to pass a number of tests. Only then is it mounted directly onto the rear axle of the BMW Active E, the ideal position for the driving dynamics typical of BMW.